Hello friend, now in this tutorial we start with the lesson 1 integer. So this is the playlist which is having all the tutorials of 7th standard. So in the 7th standard first lesson is integer. So while learning integer you must be aware about the previous number system like whole number and natural number that you already learned in 5th 6th standard. So in the case of whole number, as you know, the whole number starts with the 0. Whole means it is just like circular fashion. So whole means you can remember it is just like circle. So whole number, that the reason start with the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. So this is what the whole number. Then in case of natural number, the natural number means it is just like 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. It doesn't have the 0. So whole number start with the 0, natural number start with 1 and it doesn't have the 0. Got it? Now we take a look of integer. So here first I draw the number line. You are already aware about the number line. You learn in 6th standard. So in the number line, at the center side we have 0. Okay, now I am telling you about the integer. After 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Then here in the left hand side, -1, -2, -3, -4, so on. So this is what the integer. Now you carefully observe. Here 0, all positive number in ascending order, all negative number in descending order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to so on, these are positive integer. Okay. And here these minus symbols, here these minus number, these are negative integers. These are positive and these are negative integers. And here we have 0. 0 doesn't have negative and positive symbol. So integer means it is having negative and positive number. These are the integer. And here in the left hand side all positive, no sorry, here in this right hand side all the positive number, and here in this left hand side, toward the left hand side we have all negative. If you see the difference, there is a +1 difference, because after 2 there is a 3, after 3 4, so only +1 difference is there. And here if you observe the two number, there is a -1 difference, because -1 -1 -2 -1 -1 -3 -1 -1 -4, so -1 difference is there. So that is what the integer. Now here in the integer, many students they get the confusion about the negative and positive number. So we will see the rules of positive and negative. So here in the rules of positive and negative number, so these rule we will particularly see for first addition and subtraction. So here we will see the rules of positive and negative symbols, including addition and subtraction operation. So first number is having plus sign and second number is having plus sign, then the sign will be plus. First number is having negative sign, second number negative, number will contain negative sign. And in case of plus minus or minus plus, sign will be taken by the, means we will take the sign of greater number. Okay, this sign is not fixed, it depend on which number, which greater number having the which sign. So here I am writing sign of greater number. So whenever we have the plus minus minus plus, in the addition subtraction we will take the sign of greater number. Suppose I am doing 1 plus 2, it is 3. Both number here we don't have the sign, so it is nothing but plus, but we don't write plus 1, we directly write 1 plus 2. If you take other example, 3 plus 4, it is 7. Now we take both negative number. Whenever both negative numbers are there, we do addition. 4 plus 3 7, we take the sign minus. Got it? Whatever the numbers are there, in both side minus is there, we will take minus, but we do addition. Now next example, minus 4 plus 3. Here we will do subtraction. Between these two means we have different sign is there whenever we have the different sign in the addition subtraction. So what we do here, we will directly do the subtraction. 4 minus 3, 1, and we will take the sign of greater number. Here I am doing 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4 is also 1, sign of greater number. So these are the example, friend. So here, for avoiding confusion, you have to keep in mind this table. Plus plus plus, minus minus is minus, plus minus minus plus depend on the sign of greater number. Now we move on the multiplication and division. In the multiplication and division, you are getting plus and minus sign. So here if both are plus in the multiplication, then we get the plus. Same for the division also. Both are minus, that is plus. Minus plus plus minus is always minus. Both are plus, no confusion. Both are minus, it is minus into minus plus. Minus plus plus minus is minus. It doesn't depend on the greater number. So in case 3 into 3, there is no particular sign, so it is, we treat as a positive sign, so it is 9. Minus 3 into minus 3. Okay, here also suppose I am using bracket. So 3 into 3 is 9, and here minus into minus is what? Plus. So here the plus sign is there. Next example, minus 3 into 3. It is 9, but the sign is minus. 4 into minus 5. It is 20, but the sign is minus because here we have minus sign. In the case of division, suppose you write 4 divided by 2. Here there is no sign, means plus. So finally whatever the calculation you do, answer will be 2, but the sign is positive only. Next example, suppose minus 3 minus 2. So here minus minus what you learn? Plus. Same for division also. So it get cancelled and answer is 3 by 2. Plus plus you already understood, it is plus. Now minus plus. Minus 3 by 2. It is always minus 3 by 2. Okay. Suppose minus 4 and 2. Then your answer will be minus 2 only. Okay. So in the case of minus plus, we take always the minus sign. Plus plus, no confusion, always plus. Minus minus is plus. So one more example here I am taking minus 4 and minus 3. So what happened here also? Negative negative cancel and 4 by 3. So you should know the table, that is important. In the case of addition subtraction also you should know the table, and in case of multiplication and division also you should know the table. Now I hope friend you understood this concept, how to do the addition and subtraction whenever you are in the touch with plus and minus number. So after this tutorial, in the next section we will see some exercise which is based on the number line on integer and which is based on the operations. There we will use different types of number, negative number, positive number, and on the basis of that we will solve the answer. So I hope friend you understood this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Thank you.